Hello, good evening. Uh, I'm going to show you one application that is very useful for recording our class, and it is called Loom. 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 And you have it here on my desktop also. I have already installed it. To install it, you have to open your browser and then you type Loom, Loom, loom.com, and then you click. Make sure that you have an internet connection, and so here you have get Loom for free, or here also get Loom for free. So you click this, and then it will ask you to sign up, and you can sign up with your Google, or you have another email account, then you sign up. Let me try with my let me try signing up with my Google account. Let's see. And then I have I have different Google account. I'll choose El Songate. And I have already signed up, and so here is my previous video that I have recorded. Okay, so once you download and you install on your desktop, on your computer, then you close this browser, and then you open. Here it's already installed. And what you can do is you open it, and then this will appear. And do you notice here on the left side is the webcam capturing me, and then here are some tools that are not yet activated. Once I do click start recording, then it will these tools will become activated, which can be used. Okay, so but before that, we'll look at here. Here are three options to record: screen and camera. Screen plus cam means screen and camera. That means I can record this whole screen of my desktop, and also the video cam will keep recording me. Here you see here in the lower side of the left screen, you can see that. So that is screen plus camera. And if you don't want to record yourself, then you have the option of to click screen only. So let's click it and see my picture is gone and no camera. So the microphone will record your voice, and then if you click start recording, and then you will not be seen in the video, but the whole screen will be seen, and you can use the screen as your blackboard or whiteboard, and you can open your word note or slideshow, and then you can play it, and then you can explain along. All those things, the screen as well as your voice will be recorded, and it will be in a video format. And the third option is you can click camera only, cam only. Then it will not record the screen, but it will record you, and then you can talk, you can speak. So let's begin. Let's see how it is. Let us go with the first option, screen and camera recording. So you select this, and then here start recording. If we click start recording, Okay, uh, 2 3 1. Now it's recorded. Okay, now it's recorded, and it is recording this myself, and it is also recording the screen. And as I begin to teach, I can open a Word application, a Word document, if I want, uh, like this article, or any other document, Word document, or I can open Excel, and then let's say fun, okay, and then I can do this, I can teach this, or I can also teach WhatsApp desktop. See what's my WhatsApp will open. It needs internet connection, and it may be slow, so we'll not work on that. Or I can open a PDF article. Let's say it's an article on the Wailing Wall. Okay, what you need to know about the Wailing Wall or Western Wall, Jews, Arabs, and the Wailing Wall. So I can explain this, I can read them, and then I can explain. And so all these things will be recorded. And then the screen itself can be used as a blackboard. So if I click this, I can choose the color, and I can choose the size of the chalk, of the marker. So let me choose this blue color, and let us make the point a little larger. Then I can write here. You see, I can write here. I'm not using a mouse, so if we use a mouse, it will be much easier. Or I can make it smaller. To make it smaller, okay, see, smaller, and I can change the color if I want. See, so sometimes we need to write something on the blackboard in order to make our explanations clear, so we can do that. All right, so these are helpful tools, and then we can close the document. And then even PowerPoint slides also we can. Let me see what do I have in my Microsoft Office. Okay, here's my Microsoft Office tools. Okay, okay, here I have PowerPoint. Okay, and I can choose a PowerPoint file. No, also I can create a slideshow, and then there's no PowerPoint slide in my laptop, so it's not available, but you can have it ready, and if you can play your slide like this, or you can write like this, the map of Israel. You have the Sea of Galilee, the Jordan River. I'm not very good, and like this. So you can use to make to write something on the on the screen, and you can use it as a blackboard. So that is what Loom is about, and it's very useful. And if you would like to learn to use, go to loom.com, download, and then learn how to use. So now I finish my class and I'm going to stop recording. So you see here, here's a stop button. So I press this. Okay. So then the Loom, if you're connected to internet, this your recorded video will be on the Loom server, and then explore. Let's go. It tells you that you have your so my first Loom recording is here. We'll go down here. And then you can copy the link. Okay, here you can copy the link and then open WhatsApp and then send the link through WhatsApp, or you can invite people. You can add a password to this video so that only whom you invite and who have the password can view the video. Okay, this is still processing. The video is still processing, and you can watch this. So and then you can share the video to your class, or you can look it over, and you can delete here, or you can duplicate the video, or you can download the video, but it is still under processing. So that's how we use Loom for online teaching. So if you would like to learn, and I think you have to learn it, so go to loom.com and then download it and install it in the computer, and maybe we will spend one time together to learn how to use Zoom. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Shift control